Good morning, everybody. Workman's Restorations YouTube channel. We're going to go ahead and give a tour of this truck today. We're going to start with the interior because I just put my shoes on. I have slippers I keep for walking around in the back. But it is a 2015 Kenworth T680, 808,000 miles. ISX Cummins engine under the hood out there. This is a Eaton Fuller 18-speed manual shift transmission. We got a clock. That's pretty cool. We got an Elsa and we got a Lilo. And it's pretty good. Brake knobs, tractor, trailer. Got to replace the steering wheel someday. She's old and needs some work, but we got a pretty extensive system in here. Camera, we got cameras outside. Pretty neat. That's the trailer. I thought one didn't work last time, but anyway. Front passenger side. Well, I guess it's 4 that didn't work. But anyway. Electronic logbook. Let's see here. We also have an option for pump the truck up when because of the low ground clearance, we could pump it up. That's for dropping. That's for interaxle, PTO, fifth wheel slide, Jake brake. Settings of the Jake brake, cruise control and all that. Engine fan, sometimes you got to turn the engine fan on early. This is for all the sleeper lights, top and bottom. This is for the cargo, and this, the fifth wheel landing. Someday I'll get it. And this is for the it used to be a flatbed, so it's got some pretty cool lights on the outside. But you know, power windows, power mirrors. Power mirrors sure help quite a bit because this is heck to back up. Okay, so we'll go outside. We're not as far back as we could have been. As I was backing up, I felt the dips. Thought that we were all the way back, but anyway, so we stick out a little further than everybody else, kinda. I have a video of the nighttime. I'll put that in here in a minute. But these are the... Gotta be careful. Sometimes they hit extra storage boxes. These are this one's just the fuel tank here, and this one's just a generator. Should have had the stuff ready. I'll open that up later. That'll be another video. And then there's a little bit of storage there, but not much. This is for the cassette to empty the toilet, and this is how you fill the water. There's water gauge there to tell you how temperature. I still got a little bit more of the vinyl and stuff to get off. This is hot water tank, different components to different things. Not much storage for these side boxes. .365 tires, nice big 20,000 pound. See, if we backed up a little bit more, we wouldn't stick out that much. And that's the outside. Then we come to the walk-in side door. We get welcomed. We get welcomed by the doggies. This folds up when you're parked for the weekend or something like that, and you got some big cooking going on. This is the sleeper. That folds down to a queen-size bed. All this cabinet space for storage. We got 2 medicine cabinets, wardrobe cabinet for hanging clothes. Clothes. Big, huge refrigerator. Gotta have big refrigerator. Dog bed, dog food. And then in here, I don't know if I recorded all that. I don't think I did. Anyway, this is the side door. You walk in from the side door over here. It's pretty neat. We got lighted railing, extra storage over here. This folds down for when you're getting a bunch done. That folds up, so we got a whole lot of countertop space. Countertops up here. Wardrobe cabinet for hanging clothes, food. Big, huge refrigerator. That's the shower and the toilet in there. Nothing fancy about that. Then we got a fan up there that goes on. We got infinity lights. They're pretty awesome. Just a lot of little stuff. It's not all needed, but it helps. That folds down to a queen bed. We're gonna put some nice wood treads down there or something. Get it a whole lot nicer. Nice window to be able to look outside. We got generator, thermostat, just like a house. We can set it to heat or cool. And getting ready to fire up the truck, so we can turn this off. Microwave, convection microwave. You could bake and broil in there. We do all kinds of stuff. This is the 3rd heater setup. We have actually 3 for heat. This is another one. When you're driving down the road, you turn this on. You set the temperature to whatever you want it to be. And it'll thermostatically controlled. So that's pretty neat. And then nice, lots of windows in here. A lot of cabinet space. Big fridge. Pretty neat truck. We like it. So if you have any questions, post them in the thing down there, and I'll work on answering as many questions as I can, and get into anything anymore that you guys want to know. Do the right thing.